Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I am coming here to share a finish with you. So yeah, I have now finished my September project, which was for the hashtag Let Your Witch Goddess Free event being run by Love and Sparkles. I will pop a link to her channel down below. But this beauty of a canvas is Athena from Diamond Art Club. Here she is. And I'm never going to be able to show you all of her, but I will insert a picture, of course. But I mean, you can see the sparkle. She is around, and this piece of artwork is by Willowing, and all of her artwork has this really lovely illustrative style, and I'd fallen in love with this. Yeah, gosh, about 2.5 years ago. It was not specifically this canvas, but this piece of artwork was one of the very first diamond paintings that I purchased, but I purchased it from a different company. But I thought I'd work on this one for the event, so you can see the sparkle there. I have added some additions to her. I will try and show them, although it's difficult on camera. So in the sun here, which is sort of a shield emblem, outside of these petals, all around these edges, there are copper sparkler drills. I then added more of those into this part of her spear, and then into the details of her spear, as well as, oh, knocked the camera, adding them into the details of her crown. So I didn't want it to be too sort of overpowering because of the sort of hand-drawn style of the artwork anyway. But yeah, I was so pleased. I was a little unsure about this purple shading around her nose in the charting. Doesn't seem to notice so badly along this side, but this batch of purple here seemed a little out of place when I was doing it, but actually from a distance, when she's hung on the wall, blends in perfectly and looks correct, looks like the original artwork. It's just when viewed up close, it's a little bit jarring. So I don't know, maybe they needed to go a shade browner rather than purple when they were charting it, just with that. But it doesn't bother me enough that I would pick it out and change it. I love the little owl. I love their face. I did and ah as to whether I should add the sparkler drills to the owl's crown as well. Decided not to in the end, just because the owl's crown and the little butterfly wings here, the butterfly sort of tattoo on her neck here, and then this castle piece down here, all have that look of having been drawn on after the fact, and I didn't want to detract from that. The green was a bit of a slog, but I'm so happy with how it's come out, and the use of the ABs, those white ABs, just to act almost like blossom in the trees and in the leaves, works really nicely. I think her eyes are stunning, and on the whole I think this is a really good version of the original artwork. So yeah, I am super pleased with her. Got plenty of drills left over, so this is how I kit her up. I always put the small sticker here, and then once she's finished, so now I can then take my book, find my page. So this will be my next page to fill out. And so this sticker now I can peel off of here. And then this perfectly, I've done that not very straight, but yeah, so then that will go into my logbook and then I can fill out all the details in here. So my next job will be kitting all these down. There was only the 2 ABs in this already, just the orange and the white, and then I added, these are the copper sparklers, which were from Diamond Painting with Sparklers. So I'll pop a link to them as well down below. So yeah, nothing at all that I was running out of, and in fact, I think I might still have, yeah, got a few bits still in here that never made it into additional packets. So there was no danger of me running out of anything at all, I don't think. No, plenty of 310 left. Yeah, no worries at all. Drawers were great quality. I didn't bother collecting trash because there wasn't enough of it to worry about. So it was all really, really nice. A very pleasant experience on the whole working on this canvas. So yeah, that's my September finish, tick, done. She did take me a little over a month. I got her done on the 2nd of October. She was finished. However, I probably had at least a week throughout the month where I didn't do any diamond painting. Ollie's certainly not working on this due to health reasons. So normally one of this size I could do in a month without too much trouble. But yeah, but I was certainly keen to get her done as quick as possible because, as we know, I've got Leo Teacup on the go. I want to get that finished, and I've also now started my actual kit for October, which is the witch hat, which I'll put a link to my live from last week, and yeah, you'll see me kit that one up. That is a full crystal drill canvas. So yeah, but I'm really pleased with this. If you want to check out Diamond Art Club and get one for yourself, then you can do so and save $10 off your first purchase with my code, which will be on the screen now. So thank you for joining me on this journey of doing this canvas. There will be many, many more canvases still to come, so remember to hit that bell button so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you especially to my patrons for supporting this channel. It means the absolute world, and there are so many things that I just couldn't do without your support. Do remember, all of you, to like, share, subscribe if you haven't already, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you all in the next one. Stay crafty!